In this video, I will show you how to make your X account private. First things first, open up the X app on your device. To access your settings, tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Once you've tapped on Settings and Privacy, you'll be taken to a new menu where various options are available. Next up is tapping on Privacy and Safety. Now that you're in Privacy and Safety, look for Audience and Tagging. Tap on it now. Here you will see two main options. Protect your posts, protect your videos. To ensure maximum privacy for your account, toggle on the switches next to both these options. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.